Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DaVinci Resolve subtitles for accurate burned captions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the timeline where your video is located. Select the clip you want to add subtitles to. Go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Find the subtitles section within the inspector. Click on the Add Subtitle button to create a new subtitle track. Ensure the subtitle track is highlighted to make edits. Input your desired subtitle text into the text field provided. Adjust the start and end time for your subtitles to match the corresponding dialogue. Continue adding more subtitles as needed for the entire video. For accuracy, play back the section to check synchronization. After finalizing the timing, navigate to the Deliver page. Choose your desired render settings for your video export. Make sure to select the option for Burn in Subtitles. This option ensures your subtitles will be permanently embedded in the video. Double-check your render settings for quality and format. Click on the Add to Render Queue button. Finally, click on Start Render to export your video with the burned-in captions. Once rendering is complete, review the exported video for accuracy. If any adjustments are needed, return to the timeline and edit as necessary. Repeat the rendering process until you are satisfied with the final product. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.